Here's a fun one for you to end your week on. CERN. Go and dig into CERN. There's so much to discover with CERN and what they're doing there. Go look at the pictures as well. It'll really, really get your eyebrows rising. CERN, the European Laboratory of Particle Physics, located in the territory of Saint Genis Pouilly, and I'm probably pronouncing it incorrectly. Sorry to all French people. South African. It's a commune in the Ain department of eastern France. The location is significant as it includes the Meyrin site, which is the birthplace of CERN and has been operational since 1954. Now, why am I finding this so interesting? Because the town in Roman times, back then, was called Apolliacum, is now known as Saint Genis Pouilly, same place. So it used to be called Apolliacum. The area was historically significant as it housed a temple dedicated to Apollyon, the deity associated with destruction. Is it a coincidence then that the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider, was located in the very place where a temple/town is dedicated to the king of the bottomless pit? Or is it by design? Apollyon, the Greek name meaning destroyer, given in Revelation 9 verse 11 for the angel of the bottomless pit. Now, what's up with the statue of the god Shiva just outside of CERN's office? Shiva just happens to be known as the destroyer god. Coinkydink. The Shiva statue at CERN symbolizes the cosmic dance of creation, preservation, and destruction, reflecting the principles of modern physics and celebrating the long-standing relationship between India and CERN. Interesting. The two figures share a common name, Abaddon, which signifies destruction and rebirth and reflects the cyclical nature of existence. Or they are openly showing us that they are rooted in evil and working with darkness towards their agenda that they think will be victorious, but will end really badly for them, as per the book of Revelation. CERN talking to you and telling you exactly what they're up to. Again, dig into it. Really interesting. They're not hiding anything. They're doing it right in front of everyone's eyes and in the name of science. Shalom.